This is another version of the forms passage. Again, I'm going to look at the first verb, and I have to give the present active, perfect passive, and future active participles for all of these. And it's porto, portare, so identify it as first. So it's ans, and portantis, and it means carrying. Remember, the perfect passive is just the fourth principal part, which is given to you. It means carried or having been carried. And then to make the future active, all you have to do is take the us off and make it urus, and it's going to or about to carry. Now the next one is yakio. It's I-O-E-R-E, making it third I-O. So the stem vowel here is going to be I-E, ens, entis, and it means throwing. Again, I'm just taking the fourth principal part for the perfect passive, and it means thrown or having been thrown. And again, for the future active, I'm taking the fourth principal part, getting rid of the us and adding us, and it's about to or going to throw. Now I'm going to decline. I have to remember that duco is third conjugation, and so the stem is going to be duc ens. And I'm going to do the masculine and feminine first. My base is ducentis. And then after this, it's just like a third declension adjective. Remember, for the ablative singular, it can be both an I or an E. And remember, it's an I stem like all third declension adjectives, so the genitive plural is going to be IUM. And now I'm going to do the neuter. Remember, the neuter is almost identical to the masculine and feminine, except for your nominatives and accusatives. See, for my accusative, it's going to follow the neuter law and be exactly the same as the nominative. And for my nominative plural, it's going to be an IA. Remember, it's an I stem. And again, for the accusative plural, it's going to be the same as the nominative plural. Down here I have my pronominal adjectives. I have to put totus in the dative singular. Remember, for all of these, the dative singular, whether it's masculine, feminine, or neuter, will be I, so it's toti. My accusative plural feminine, remember these are the exact same as bonus aum, so an accusative plural neuter would just be as, as. And genitive singular neuter, remember the genitive singular for all of these, whether it's masculine, feminine, or neuter, is ius.